What are we doing today?
Today
We're going to fix a flat tire. But I don't think it's working. Back up. I don't think it's working. I got it right there, right next to it. I mean, it's so close. It's not, but it's not fixing the tire. I think they told us a story. Hook it up and see if it'll fix it. That's good enough. Well, it's back there. You go.
stay on there.
I don't think. All right. That's good.
Okay. And
No.
I saw you press this button.
No. Tire's not fixing.
Whoa.
Tire's not fixing. I believe they pulled a joke on us. We're just having some fun. That tire's beyond fixing. That tire's beyond fixing, baby. It's a joke.
I don't get jokes that much. So. Sometimes I do.
It says fix a flat. That tire's flat and it didn't fix it. Alright, hope y'all got a chuckle out of that. Randy? KD4LRC, if you're watching this video, leave a comment. That was just for you.